I'm about to reveal a hidden YouTube niche that hardly anyone is talking about, but it's quietly helping creators earn thousands of dollars every single month. You might think you heard it all about YouTube niches, but just give me 100 seconds of your time, and I will transform your mindset about YouTube, and you will see how easy YouTube is. There's this channel called Mr. English Channel, and in just a few months, it's exploded to over 500,000 subscribers and millions of views, all from simple podcast-style English learning videos. Their top video alone hit over 1 million views in just a few weeks after upload, and most of their uploads still pull in hundreds of thousands of views. The surprising part? These videos don't need your face, don't require fancy editing, and can be made entirely with free AI tools. Think about it. English is the most spoken language in the world, and millions of people are trying to learn and practice it every day. That means this niche isn't just popular, it's evergreen. Once your videos are up, they can keep getting views for weeks, months, or even years. Now, getting views on YouTube can be tough. You post a video, wait, nothing happens. Maybe you get under 100 views and feel like the algorithm doesn't care. I've been there too, it's frustrating. But the truth is, it's not your fault. With millions of videos uploaded daily, you need to help YouTube's algorithm find and recommend your content. That's where a tool like VidQ comes in. You can use other YouTube extensions that works for you, but I recommend VidQ. No, this is not a sponsor video. Just sharing what works for me, and it's one of the best ways to boost your channel's growth. Once you sign up and connect your YouTube channel, VidQ gives you powerful insights like title suggestions to improve click-through rates, thumbnail analysis to make sure your visuals stand out, and SEO advice to help your video rank higher. If you're serious about growing faster, optimizing your videos with a tool like this can make a huge difference. Once your channel setup is ready, it's time to create your video. ChatGPT will help in getting the perfect script with you, giving it a good prompt. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a full, ready-to-use, conversation-style script for your topic. Once you have the script, remove the timestamps and save it as a simple text file. This will make it easier to use for your AI-generated voiceover. For the voiceover, we'll use a tool called 11 Labs. You can choose from dozens of natural-sounding voices in different accents and tones. Once everything is set, click Generate, and in just moments, you'll have a professional-quality AI voiceover. That sounds completely real. Download that audio file. You'll use it for your video later. Now we need visuals. There are free video assessed online like Pexel, even free image generators for your videos. Edit it slightly to add value to the video, whether using the popular mobile video, editing app, which is CapCut or whatever works for you. Once you're happy with it, save the video. So if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. With the right tools, ideas, and consistency, you can build your own faceless, AI-powered YouTube channel that earns real money while helping people learn something valuable.